This 7-inch flush mount LED disc light is designed for basement lighting, garage lighting, hallway lighting, or any location with a junction box or 4 to 6-inch can light. Be sure to turn off electrical power at fuse or circuit breaker box before wiring fixture. To begin the install, remove the existing trim. Install the torsion spring mounts with the existing screws. Install the torsion spring into the mount. Depending on the size of your can, you may need to adjust the location of the torsion spring. Attach the driver to the back of the light. Connect the driver and fixture power wire connectors together. Slightly bend the torsion springs outward. Install the E27 socket adapter into existing can socket. Plug connector of fixture into connector of socket adapter. Carefully push the light into the can. For more information on the 7-inch flush mount LED disc light, visit us online at superbrightleds.com. LED lighting for everything.